Hi there! I just wanted to invite you to the next Trivy Office Hours. Trivy Office Hours are happening on a monthly basis on the second Wednesday of every month. The next Trivy Office Hours are happening in 2 days at the 8th of March at 4 p.m. British summertime, UTC time. Do join us to hear about the latest changes, the latest features to Trivy, to see some live demos from the core maintainers, and to ask you questions and share your feedback and thoughts and ideas on Trivy and the Trivy operator. So you will find the latest updates as well as the registration link either if you go to Trivy and the Trivy discussion. It's gonna be pinned here at the top, Trivy Office Hours, the date, and here you will find the registration link, as well as we're going to post an agenda of everything that will be covered on our end. And if you want to discuss any larger topic, you can just add them here as comments, just your thoughts, anything that you would like us to discuss, either that or that you would like to showcase. For example, if your company is using Trivy, the Trivy operator in a certain way, and you would like to share your experience, you would like to share your use and your plans with Trivy, you can do that during the Trivy Office Hours. Just do comment it here if you need, let's say, 10 minutes during the Trivy Office Hours so you can plan for it. Now, you can also, in addition to that, always ask ad hoc questions during the Trivy Office Hours. You don't have to post your questions here. Just if you have any larger topics that require 10 or so minutes or 15 minutes to discuss, then please do add them here. Now, here's the Zoom link where you can sign up. It's a reoccurring meeting. As you can see, all of the next ones throughout 2023 and 2024 are posted, so do just subscribe here with your Zoom account so you get all of the notifications and the invites for the Trivy Office Hours. Additionally, you could head over to Aqua Security and you can get more information in the community repository. There's a section on office hours. We're starting with Trivy Office Hours. Now, if you're a Tracy user, we are gonna have monthly to bi-monthly live streams for now on this YouTube channel. So you can also check that out if you're a Tracy user. Now, here are more information on the Trivy Office Hours. The sign up link is posted in the description below, as well as on the Trivy GitHub discussions. Do sign up and join us either live for this Trivy Office Hours or for one of the next ones. I hope to see you there and have an amazing week. Until then, bye bye.